basically what is happening here. Yes, I did all the bumpers. I did the bonnet, hood. I did the rear lead. And I'm gonna do them all over again because we decided to get all from this car. So after I've done all the sanding bits and we got new bumpers, new fenders, we found a Golf that has them all in a good condition and we're gonna go get it. Okay, so I took apart the rear lead almost. So this one here is the two-door donor, and we will need we will definitely need this part because the original one, spider. The original one has this hole on here, and we will probably take you see the line here, it was drawn yesterday. We'll take probably this part, this panel here, and put it on the Otmar because it's really rusty on there. I need to take apart because when you cut into it there's sparks flying everywhere, so it will cause some flames maybe, but to take the precautions I need to take everything apart. And I think we will maybe use these Turnites. These are like a little edgy, like cool, like it will suit the artsy Otmar car. I've never seen these before. It's cool, like a tuning part for Golf. I already took the mic off, but when you don't have a cameraman, you have to be resourceful. And I'm thinking this lamp on wheels to get my GoPro on. I hate spiders, so I have to clean this with air. Well. So this part we can't use, but we are gonna take this fuel pump cover also, and right about, I think, here, and this part. This seems to me like a huge welding job. This is pretty much done. Few boats like these ones, and maybe the floor cover too. But yeah, and then we're gonna lift the car up, and we need to remove the petrol tank, and so it wouldn't caught fire. This is me figuring out this drilling tool to get the spot welds open. Cool machine, never done it, never seen a structural part taken off, but I get the idea. You have to drill open the spot welds, but you must not drill it through the second layer, because that is where you get the part back on. And then chiseling it open, I got help with harder guns, and this is what we have. We are thinking who is going to weld it, and in the next video I got some exciting news. I have completely burned by the sun we have here, so I don't know how red I will look, but made a joke that I primed myself on the sun, and now it's time to prime these. But yeah, no kidding, there is a little work to do. All of this needs some priming, of course, but metal parts need epoxy priming as well for the first step. I haven't primed in a very long time Corrado at my home car, but what we have here is the bonnet hood, fenders both sides. These are new ones, completely new ones. These trim panels, well, trims is the right word. Fuel tank cap, yeah. This is the number plate, upper part trim, bumper, lower parts, the lips, lips. 4 bumpers, yes. We decided to prime the aftermarket ones as well, since they're already done and sanded, and maybe someone wants to buy them, or it will leave, or it will be the spare part. The green ones are going on the Otmar, and the grey ones are the leftovers. This is the rear lead spoiler, and of course the original doors, which I used the lead metal soldering in the last video. If you haven't looked it, go look it up. It was the part 9, if I'm correct, and the first time soldering lead melting metal on the rust spots for me. Oh, and here are the mirror caps covers. this one too. This is the front grille panel. This is the whole steel one. This needs to be covered full epoxy, and then the filler. Wish me luck. Okay, so we have done the epoxy priming and the plastic the brief stuff. Scary. I have proper face mask borders in my face, so I'm not gonna show it. But we are done. I'm dirty and I mean, look at this. This is all the priming dust. I am very tired. At the end of it, I got some tips how to do it. Firstly, I just went with my memory. So these bumpers are a bit more grainy. Some of it, this doesn't seem so much, but I know that the back one was. Some parts are a little bit more grainy. Yeah. I should have be bolder, like more slower, more prime on the surface, more shininess, not to leave it so dry like I did. But well, the bonnet is good, the doors are good now, this is good, and well, everything else is sandable. But this was how much work? I started at I think 3 p.m. and now it's 7, so 4 hours of work. But it's done, and now almost all of this needs to be sanded, and I think we have to do one more of the priming round for some parts. But we'll see how I will do with the selling part, and the important thing is that this is done. The first round is done, and I'm tired. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.